A wonderful.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
Hi, this is Corporal Halberdier with the Schertz Police Department. I just wanted to address the theft issue as far as punishments go. The punishment for theft is decided on the dollar amount that the item is worth. So if it's worth $0 to $50, it's a Class C misdemeanor with a fine up to $500. The amount is $50 to $500, it's already a Class B misdemeanor, which is jail time up to 180 days and a possible fine to $2,000. If the item is above that, $500, then we're already into a Class A misdemeanor, which is up to a year in jail and up to a $4,000 possible fine. Please be mindful when you're around campus. Don't leave your items unattended. Purses, cell phones, things like that in nature. They're very expensive to replace, and some of you have actually worked hard to earn money to obtain those items. If you have something stolen, please report it to a teacher, admin, or me as soon as possible. That way we can get working on the case and see if we can locate the item, recover it, and deal with the punishments as see fit. Thank you.